Texas offset smokers just got an upgrade. Bigger, hotter, smarter. Offset smoking redefined. All the tradition, none of the waste. Less fuel, more heat retention, and precision like never before. This isn't just an offset, it's a revolution in fire and flavor. Meet the future of smarter Texas offset smoking. Are you ready? Welcome back, my good people. It's a beautiful afternoon under South Texas skies, and I finally got the chance to offload the G3 smoker off the crate. Old Country included instructions on how to offload the smoker using the same wood that it's packed in, which was great because this beast is a total of 800 pounds. We got our accessories and oil to season and test run our smoker, but first let's get it ready as I give you a few specs. Starting with the main grate being 21 by 45 inches, followed by the top grate being 16 by 45 inches for a total of 1,665 square inches of cooking space. Included is a removable deflector plate as well as a removable ash pan in the firebox. Before I spray down the smoker with oil, I'll use my leaf blower to clean out any metal flakes left over from the manufacturer. Now here are some specs about the build itself. The main chamber is 24 by 48 inches with an inner shell of 3/16 steel, followed by 1-inch mineral wool insulation and an outer shell of 1/8 steel for a total of 5/16 of steel for the cooking chamber. The firebox inner shell is a 1/4 inch steel followed by 2 inches of mineral wool insulation with an outer shell of 1/8 steel for a total steel thickness of 3/8 of an inch. There are no air gaps between the double walls. The heavy duty casters underneath allow for just a single person to move the smoker around, and the smoker itself is built on a thick heavy duty frame. So before we do our burn in, we will spray the smoker down with oil. You can see that there is handles on both sides of the smoke collector to move it around. The cooking chamber lid has 3 areas to mount temperature gauges. The firebox vent and door handle have spring handles that stay cool to the touch when cooking, and there's compressed springs on each side to assist opening the cooking chamber lid door. Here you can see the inch-thick insulated walls that help retain heat. So I'll install 2 temp gauges on the bottom grate area of the smoker. I'll install a top grade temp gauge some other day. And next we'll install a 1 1/4 inch ball valve to our grease drain outlet. I like how they designed it at an angle. And now for the burn-in. I'll use lump charcoal for my coal base, followed by some pecan wood splits. We'll burn the fire at about 500 degrees Fahrenheit to get that coat of oil seasoned on the pit. And finally, some information on the release date of the G3 smoker. The G3 smokers will be released in small batch runs due to the man hours required in building them. The first batch will be sent out to independent carriers and will also be sold online through them. Request it through your local barbecue outfitter beginning the 3rd week of February 2025.